to our channel. So let's make this fast because I don't have script for today's video. Matik na ni siya, and as you can see, voice over lang sa takaron dahil saba ang music. As you can see naman, wala ako'y contact lenses kaya ga-irritate akong mata. Proceed na ta sa cleansing our face. First, apply ko lang ni si Pond's Rose Serum para save ang face. And you know, para dili po ma-irritate itong mga naong, diba? Irritate agad itong mata ng pa-joke, diba? Paksi na ta. So, after mag-try, gamit ko ka ng Olay Aura. Mao niya akong gamiton as my primer. Dili man siya literal na primer, but you know, okay na din, diba? So, proceed. Let's put some concealer from Says Lady sa mga dark areas, diba? To make our face more lighter than ano, diba? Well, look at the difference, diba? The one is lighter and the one is not, diba? So, mas fresh. Murag bago kang ligo before putting on the makeup. When wanted to dry muna before covering up with the Says Lady Long Wear Foundation. Para, you know, masettle na sila dito tanan, ang mga serum, mga atong gamit na for primer and the cleanser, you know, para di siya matandog. So, apilo na lang po nato ang wanang dapit sa tong liog and sa chest, diba? So, little by little lang atong pagbutang, diba? Tapos, dab lang ta sa atong loose powder from Says Lady again para magsettle na tanan lamas. Moving on, kilay is life, ante. So, this is the eyebrow gel from O2O in the shade number 4. And look at the inside. Wow! Diba? Brownish na medyo blackish na style. Diba? Na color, I mean. And basta, nindot kayo siya with, you can partner with any makeup, any without makeup, it look good, you know. So, i-prep lang natin siya. Namunta sa tong kilay. Tanawar ako ng kilay. Ay, napagkanta. Oh my God, dalian na. So, gamiton ko lang ni si eyebrow from MAC. So, di na ako gamiton niyang pencil. Gamiton na ako silbi ang iyang brush or spoolie para ma-blend na ko from inwards ang ato ang gel. So, butangan lang nato concealer sa may down part para dili siya murag kilay sa germs. Diba? Para po naklaro ang iyang shape na diri ra kataman, dito ra kataman, ay na pagpalabi gaabusar na ka. So, ayan, i-bake na ko siya ulit with my loose powder from Says Lady. So, we have two shadow palettes here. This is nude from Huda Beauty. Ooh, that colors are bizarre. I love that. This palette naman is from Beauty Glazed. I just bought it recently, but actually, gift ni Sir Bell sa ako. I love that shimmers. Oh my God. Choose lang ta sa atong light shade para sa inner part of the eyes. Look at that effect. Diba? Superb! Next is darker shade than the first one to give a little kick or smoky effect, diba? It's nice kaya. Pick some dark shimmer shade para sa center ng eyes to make it sparkle a little. It will look so good, I swear. Now, I have two eyeliners here. The first one is from Maybelline and the second one is Double Head Waterproof Eyeliner from Beauty Glazed. Gift Japan ni Sir Bell for me, and this is very convenient to use. Very easy. Medyo, you know, confusing lang siya kung sakto ba yung gibot nga og stamp, pero compare naman sa one head, mas easy ni siya, diba? Look how convenient I am. Medyo confusing lang lagi siya, gamay, diba? ayan, connect the dots lang siya para, you know, dili siya ingon nga, ano sa man na imong gikuan, nga dali ta mo kayo na feeling di ba? Now, I'll just use mascara na lang instead of wearing the O2O self-adhesive lashes. Kaya diba nga, ga-irritate ako mata. Basig na bikil ang mata, diba? Kaya next time we'll do. Now, I'll just curl my lashes to make the barog effect, diba? So, if you watch my recent vlog, I said there na I do 3 coats of mascara. And by the way, mula ko di me tonight mag party. This is supposed to be girls night out, pero kauban ng mga bana, so night out na lang. Let's make our nose line. We need this para mukhang taas or tangos ang ilong, di ba? Lain sa mga gudpod, di ba? Just blend it nicely, and with the help of loose powder, you will get away with it. Malalagpasan mo yan. Brush the sides kasi dili ko gusto o kanang medyo dark, diba? I want it to be more invisible. So, grab some light brownish highlight for the nose, sa bridge, and sa my end. Include the upper part of the eyes para medyo na-highlight. Let's put some blush para dili pale, diba? Oh my God! Mura kagisag pa og lamisa. So funny, bisit. Blend lang nato properly and cover up with loose powder para dili kay siya baga and para dili kay dun nga mura kagisag pa. Sheesh. Okay, let's finish this up with eyeliner. Highlighter sa cheekbone para shiny, shimmering, splendid. And this is the 3rd coat of mascara. If you want that thick and high lashes, awata gyud na akong gibuhat. Face downwards, especially the eyes, I swear it sure makes a difference. Be careful lang kay usahay gaabot siya sa atong eyelids, and that what it makes it dirty. Ayaw natin nun, right? Diba? Laing kita na niya. Okay kayo mong makeup niya. Huwag kayo mga eyelids, diba? So, pass to that one kasi I don't like it. Siguro ako. Siguro most of the girls, especially kan mga girls na hilig ng makeup like me, yeah, diligigan ang imo na. Okay, moving on. I have this cute ELLESO double head lipstick. I mean, I never tried the lip pencil before, so let's try it today or tonight. Lakas mo ka-social, no? Draw my lips with this beautiful product. Pero, oh my God, parang na ako yung notice nga wala something wrong, diba? Parang dili siya bagay sa look. So, you know the drill. Erase na to and cover it up with any pinkish red tint. It makes it more attractive and good din kasi, diba? So, as you can see naman, nung pangit na ng lasa. Yan. Bawasan na ng konti kasi medyo mapula. And that is how I made my night out party makeup. Please subscribe, like, and share to our channel. That's it. Thank you. God bless.